For decades, the spirit of the Filipino road has been captured by the iconic jeepney and the vibrant PUV culture. But as modernization rolls in, what happens to the journey and to those who rely on it?
Jeepneys, the most iconic form of public utility vehicles or PUVs in the Philippines. Originated after World War II when surplus U.S. military jeeps were modified to transport passengers.
Over time, they evolved into colorful and elongated vehicles known for their affordability and unique designs. Despite their popularity, traditional jeepneys are often outdated, lacking modern safety features and contributing to air pollution. Other PUVs such as UV Express vans and multicabs later emerged to address growing commuter demand. These modes of transport have long played a vital role in Filipino daily life, but now face challenges in adapting to modern standards.
The Philippine Utility Vehicle Modernization Program is a flagship initiated by the Philippine government aimed to provide a more safer, efficient, environmentally friendly transportation public services to our commuters.
The program promotes the use of modern vehicles equipped with safety features and lower emission to replace old and outdated units. By upgrading public utility vehicles and streamlining operations, the PUVMP seeks to improve both commuters' experience and overall road safety.
What do you expect from the PUV modernization?
Ang ina-expect ko po sa PUV modernization is mas ma-improve nila ang way of transportation by reducing yung old jeepneys na nag-produce ng maraming usok na nakaka-apekto sa comfort ng isang
Agree po ba kayo sa PUV modernization or hindi?
For me, agree ako sa PUV modernization kung yung mga jeepney drivers is mabibigyan pa ng trabaho ng government natin. So, maayos natin yung problema natin sa ecosystem natin. At the same time, yung mga trabaho ng ating mga mamamayan. So, yun lang naman.
Thank you so much.
Ano po yung stand nyo sa modernization po ng jeepney? Agree po ba kayo o disagree at bakit?
Para sa akin, disagree. Dahil marami ang mawawala ng hanap buhay. Tsaka isa pa, masyadong mahal yung minibus para sa mga kagaya naming jeepney driver lamang at operator. Tsaka isa pa, pagka hindi mo siya nahulugan, matik, hahatakin sa'yo yung minibus at mawawalan ka talaga lalo ng hanap buhay. Yun lang.
Ano kaya ang epekto nitong PUV modernization sa turismo ng Pilipinas?
For me po, yung modernization po may effect sa tourism kasi po yung old jeepneys po natin, yung design po nito nalalaman na po, kunyari po, mga taga-ibang bansa po, tapos may nakita po silang jeep na may design sa Philippines, malalaman po nila na pang Philippines yun. Kung tatanggalin po natin yun, parang mawawala po yung culture ng jeepney po sa Philippines.
Ano po sa tingin nyo ang epekto po ng pag-modernize po ng jeep sa Pilipinas po o sa turismo po ng Pilipinas?
Hindi naman ako pabor sa dyan sa modernize kasi nasisira yung culture ng Pilipinas dahil sa hindi naman factory ng Pilipinas ang modernize na galing naman ng ibang bansa ang mga modernized na mga jeep na yan. At saka yung advantage ng old culture sa kanila yung sasakyan. Sapat ang kinikita nila kaysa porsyento ang kikitain ng driver sa modernized na mga jeep. Magkano lang ang kikitain nila sa isang araw? Kung may pamilya sila isa, anak nila 5. paano nila mabuhay ang mga pamilya nila. Parang ganun.
Thank you po.
What do you think can be the solution to this problem?
Pwede po pa-state ng problem.
Okay. So, yung problem dito is yung conflict ng jeepney drivers sa ng government pagdating sa PUV modernization.
So, as a student, wala naman akong masyadong alam sa totoo lang. And para sa akin, if gusto nyo masolusyonan yung problema na yun, huwag na ipatupad yung PU modernization kasi yung mga drivers natin ng jeep is more focus. Siyempre, mas priority nila yung trabaho nila, yung sahod nila para sa pamilya nila. While yung government is pinapabago nila yung image ng Pilipinas natin for the better good. While disregarding yung feelings ng mga drivers natin na mahirapan sila sa budget ng bagong jeep natin. While pag magiging chain reaction na yun, patupad yung modernization na yun, which leads to higher budget, which leads to mahirap bumili ng mga pagkain para sa pamilya, and so on.
Thank you.
Ano po sa tingin nyo yung solusyon sa problemang ito at ano rin po sa tingin nyo yung epekto nito sa turismo ng Pilipinas?
Mas maganda, modern. Siyempre, wala tayong pollution. Tsaka bago, naka-aircon, naka-komportable yung mga natin. So, sa mga operator na katulad namin, mahal. Kasi 2.2 ang halaga. Sa ganitong edad namin, 50 years old na kami, babayaran namin ng 10 years. So, bago matapos ba namin bayaran, patay na kami. hindi solusyon na mag-modern. Basta pa rin traditional. Pero kung kinakailangan itinutulak ng gobyerno natin, bakit hindi tayo kailangan tumunod?
Traditional PUVs like jeepneys and tricycles have long been an iconic part of the Philippine tourist experience, offering not just transportation but also a glimpse into our local culture. Jeepneys, with their colorful designs and vibrant decorations, reflect Filipino creativity and communal spirit, often becoming a favorite photo subject for visitors.
Tricycles, on the other hand, provide a more intimate journey through towns and rural areas, giving tourists a close-up view of everyday Filipino life. Both vehicles contribute to the charm and authenticity of local travel, turning even a simple ride into a cultural encounter.
The shift from traditional jeepneys to modernized vehicles has a mixed impact on tourism in the Philippines. For budget-conscious travelers, the high fare price on modernized routes can make local travel less accessible.
Moreover, the decline of iconic jeepneys and tricycles diminishes the authentic cultural experience many tourists seek, as modern vehicles appear more generic and less reflective of local identity. However, modernization also brings clear benefits, such as safer and cleaner rides, which enhance the overall comfort and reliability.
These improvements aligns with global standards, appealing to tourists who prioritize convenience and safety. Additionally, the eco-friendlier features of modern PUVs contribute to a more climate-responsible image for Philippine tourism, which is increasingly important to environmentally conscious travelers. Balancing modernization with cultural preservation remains key to maintaining the country's unique tourism appeal.
Pwede mo pong i-compare yung experience mo sa pagsakay ng modern jeepney tsaka sa traditional jeepney?
Depende sa sitwasyon Pero pagka mga rush hour, parang nagiging option B ko na lang yung sumakay ng jeep kasi sa modern jeep maraming tao, puro mga nakatayo, parang overcrowded. And mas mura talaga sa traditional, pero yun nga, ang disadvantage is medyo mainit compared to modern.
Okay. Pa-compare naman ang experience mo sa pagsakay ng modern jeepney tsaka traditional jeepney.
Sa modern mas malamig. Siyempre may aircon. Sa traditional jeepney, mainit. Kaya medyo hindi sa biyahe.
Embracing change in PUV modernization program does not mean letting go of a cultural heritage embodied by the traditional jeepneys. Rather, it's about evolving with purpose and preserving legacy.
Modernizing public transportation brings opportunities for more cleaner, safer, and efficient travel, enhancing the experience of both local and tourists alike.
However, the spirit of traditional jeepneys, their vibrant designs, their sense of community, and their iconic role in our Philippine culture can be preserved by integrating its essence into the newer models.
Through thoughtful design and sustainable practices, modern PUVs can pay homage to the past, driving to a greener and more connected future.
The Filipino journey has always been colorful, rugged, and full of spirit. As we move forward, may the roads we build still tell our story to every traveler who dares to ride with us.